Hey guys, just want to do a quick little unboxing here. Just got this in today. Sorry for the shitty camera work. It's a cell phone. Gonna use the Kershaw Zing to open this up. Try to do it one-handed. I don't know if I'll be able to though. Alright. This is a highly anticipated knife for me. So really wanted to kind of do an unboxing here. Yeah, sorry about the shitty camera work, guys. That's how it's got to be, though. And all right, let's see if we can do this. As you can see, it's from Gary Della at Della's Knives. So just wanted to bust this out. Man. Okay, guys, we're gonna try to. There's got to be an easier way for this. Okay, there we go. All right. Let's see. Little shipping invoice here. Y'all might know what that little little bit of wordage right there might be. And here we go. All right, where are we? Gary's actually kind of local to me. He's based out of Cary, North Carolina, which is right outside of Raleigh. And I live right around the Charlotte area, so not too bad. Shipped fast. 0 tolerance. Man, y'all know I love my ZTs. Dude, check that out. ZT 0560 CBCF. Let's bust it out, guys. Yep, this is the Rick Hinder collaboration. Carbon fiber composite blade. It was just released the other day by Kershaw, or Zero Tolerance, KAI. Sorry guys, I'm having to use both hands here. I'm not used to doing the videos like this. Wow, that thing is sexy. Trying to see if the camera will pick up that tightness of that weave. Come on, focus. It's not wanting to focus. Orange pill 3D machined. Let's see. Wait a minute, we can get it to focus. Focus. For a second. Check out the flipping action. Oh man. Smooth, smooth, smooth. Dude, check out that pattern. Serial number 0611 S110V. Man. I'm going to post a review on this, guys, but yeah, she's sexy. God. I actually like this one better. The smoothness of it a little bit better than the standard 560. Y'all know I have the 561, so yeah, it's still in the inventory. Love that knife, but I think this is going to be my new favorite of those two. Suckers, nice. Alright guys, just a quick vid. Sorry it took so long. Alright, have a good day. Bye.